You know it. Oh, Lord. You know.
Shalom, brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel, Be Like Christ. And my name is Brian, and I use the animal-based diet to control all of my autoimmune system. So thank you for watching today. So today we're diving into how to boost your energy levels with an animal-based diet. Focusing on meat and fruit, let's explore some quick and easy recipes that'll have you energized in no time. Why meat and fruit? First, let's talk about why this combination works so well. Meat provides high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin B12, which are crucial for energy production. Fruits offer natural sugars for quick energy, along with fiber to stabilize blood sugar levels. This following powerful duo gives both immediate and sustained energy throughout the day. Recipe number 1. Energizing berry smoothie. Let's start with a simple yet effective energy booster. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, 1 frozen banana, 1/3 cup of pineapple, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, and 1 cup of raw milk. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Enjoy immediately for a burst of energy. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants from the berries, which can reduce fatigue and increase energy levels. Recipe number 2. Caveman energy bars. Next up, we have a protein-packed perfect snack for the on-the-go energy. The ingredients for this include 160 grams of beef jerky, 1/4 cup of dried fruit, or cranberries or apricots work well, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of raw honey. Process the jerky in a food processor until it's fine. Add the remaining ingredients and blend until it's sticky. Press into a lined baking dish and refrigerate until it's firm. These bars, combined with the protein from jerky with a quiet energy from dried fruit, making them the perfect sustained energy release. Recipe number 3. Beef liver power bites. Now let's take a look at one of the most dense energy beef liver. What you can do is take a 1/4 ounce beef liver, finely chop that down, 1/4 cup of dried milk powder, 1 egg, and salt to taste. Then what you're going to want to do is mix all the ingredients into a bowl, form into a small bite, pan fry until cooked thorough. The beef liver is incredibly rich in B12, which is essential for energy production in our cells. Recipe number 4, citrus glazed salmon. Lastly, let's combine the power of fatty fish with energizing citrus. The ingredients for this is 4 ounces of salmon fillet, juice of 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix the orange juice, the honey, and the ginger for the glaze. Brush over a salmon and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which can help reduce inflammation and fatigue, while the citrus provides a quick energy boost. There you have it. 4 simple energy boosting recipes that combine the power of meat and fruit. Remember, the key to sustained energy is balancing quick acting carbs from fruits with protein and nutrients from meat. Try these recipes and let me know in the comments how they work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal-based diet tips and recipes. Until next time, stay energized. Bless everyone who watched this, and be sure to register for my 90-day detox challenge at belikeChrist.net.